An initiative birthed out of the African Crossroads Hybrid Climate Fellowship 2021, which coincided with the African Crossroads 2021, an annual gathering of future-oriented African thinkers and doers. Inspired by other similar projects, mostly in Kenya, the aim of Bevla was to help families do something about city hunger by having a veggies Bevla in their backyard. Help communities make the link between food shortages, high food prices, and climate change. Paired with Barefeet Theatre as my host hub, we set out to test our idea so that we can improve the delivery of the training and the project overall. One of the things which we discovered earlier on was going with the 25 kg sacks against the recommended 50 kg sacks. This was because families mostly buy their mini meals for our staple food Shima in 25 kg bags. Using these meant reducing the cost on the individuals or families who would want to start the project on their own, because they could easily reuse or recycle the sacks which they have at home. Our training originally targeted 50 young people and women in Lusaka's Lilanda and Chunga. We, however, only managed to train 30. COVID-19 restrictions and logistics were one of the major factors behind this. Despite all of this, the training went very, very well. I loved interacting with the participants and bringing the project to life. There was definitely a lot of passion in the room and a lot of aha moments, which I loved seeing on the participants. A week later, I got to redo the training at the African Crossroads hybrid event at Barefeet, conducting the training there and talking about my project and how it can be used as a vehicle to deliver urgent messages of climate change. I definitely intend to grow the community and the project initiative from where I am, using the various opportunities that are presenting themselves and friends which I met, especially at the African Crossroads, who are interested in starting their own communities and groups of sack growers, where we can definitely talk about climate change and try to raise awareness and demand for climate justice. I think we can make climate change make sense to local communities through initiatives that break down how climate change affects the individual and their world. And unless we can make it make sense to our local communities, we will always be fighting climate change with one hand tied behind our back.